In order to change icon colors on OPPO Find X9 Pro, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, go to home screen, lock screen, and style. Now we're gonna swipe up in here in order to find the icons option. Now in here we should be able to, for example, enable dark icons in dark mode. So this is of course available for the dark mode. We also have this art plus icons that slightly changes some colors and aesthetics of these icons, but you probably want to actually use the flux option, because as you can see now we have these different colors available over here to choose from. Now we have the wallpaper colors list over here that we can use, or you can switch to system colors. So you can actually change the system color, which can be actually changed if you go back and to choose more in here. So here we have these system colors, and we can apply the color to icons based on that. In my case, I'm just gonna stick with these wallpaper colors. Of course, over here we also can adjust corners and the size of the app name and so on and so forth, but we're gonna tap on apply in order to save these changes. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.